one's going to be moving out probably over the next 20 or 30 minutes or so. Now we've got other issues coming in from the west. You can see a strong line of storms. The northern section here, which is north of Lansing, starting to weaken some. It looks like it should hold together, though, and have a wind issue with it as it pushes east. And then around Battle Creek, this is starting to turn right a little bit. Typically, that's a sign of strengthening, but it also could split off and dive farther to the south, and that would mean less and less of a problem for us. The watch comes from Flint to Howell to Ann Arbor to Adrian and west. That's till 2 o'clock in the morning. Just because we're not in the watch area in the immediate metro area does not mean we're not going to get popped. Watch one of our FutureCast better models. It comes in, and you notice the intensity here stays a little bit farther south than north for the thunderstorms. This is the batch that's coming in from the west, and as it pushes out here by 5, 6 o'clock, somewhere in there, we get the threat out. So we'll stay tonight and let you know what's going on. We'll keep track. TV 20, Channel 7, WXYZ.com, all that good stuff, plus social media. Things will improve rapidly tomorrow in the morning. Flooding the main concern. Winds that could be damaging secondary, but an isolated large hail event or an isolated tornado not out of the question. These storms are a little different than the ones that came through this morning. We weren't worried about some of those issues with the elevated storms, and the widespread heavy rain was a problem, but now we add some possibilities of other concerns. Here's the front, middle of the night, sweeping through again around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning and pushing the threat and the heavy rain away from us. Saturday will improve as we go along, and Sunday will be better. Probably feels a bit like fall after the heat and humidity of this week. 73 outside right now in Detroit, not dropping too much. Heavy humidity will keep the temperatures in the upper 60s. Heavy rains expected. Flooding is certainly a possibility. Again, that is the main threat overnight. Takes some time, but things improve as the day goes along. A drier, fresh, cooler breeze comes in here. 78 the high on Saturday. We'll go 76 Sunday, back to 78 on Monday. The second half of the weekend and the week starts dry. We're back to the lower 80s on Tuesday, then storm chances back midweek.